Hello again. I'm just showing you what's left of my exhaust and the new exhaust that I'm putting on that I found at the junkyard. A lot of things are happening here at Corinth 1121. The bus is going to my friend's shop where it's getting tuned up and put on the road, more or less. So we might have some fun cold starts and road trip adventures with it. So looking forward to that, and also getting the old caravan Chrysler Voyager on the road too. But check this out first. That's a pretty rusty muffler, eh? That's what's left of my my muffler. And the underside of the car, I'm gonna get really funky with it. This is my rust plan. I'll use motor oil with the used brush. And right here I have the replacement muffler fart can that's going on it right here. So looking forward to getting all these things done. One thing about the North Country, you just watch your cars disappear. I hate it. So you have to get them undercoated every year, if you can remember. Alright, Mr. Bus, what do you think about that? Get my fart can off right now. Here in the junkyard where cars go to die. And we're checking out some old Scouts in the live free or die state here. Nice little all-wheel drive with looks like a 340 V8 engine. International Harvester Company. Missing everything out back. And another one here. The guy says this has a 340 in it. Now this is sculpture. Look at that. Beautiful. And it's all rusted. It's gonna get destroyed, scrapped out. It had the removable top right there. Beautiful. Could be yours for cheap money here. Got the big car crusher. Crushes all the cars into little pieces of metal, crushed up pieces of metal. Here's my old, I had a C20, but this is a C10 cab. C10. Nice. Automatic. At one point. And this is one I really like here. This has got the 4-banger in it, he said. Look at the nice pinstriping on that. Beautiful, huh? Junk! Moves right on that. Man, beautiful old truck. International Harvester. Which, you know, I think these would be a good investment to get involved with. They're cool. They're the last of the American-made harvesters, you know. Check out that big plow. Beauty. Very nice. Jeepers creepers. Look at that. Nice Jeep 4-wheel drive. We're missing a tire. Rust. Little 3-spoke wheel. Really nice. Full gauges. This was an expensive car. It says it goes to 100 miles per hour. 5-speed. Yeah, 5-speed. Roll bar. Safe. Junk. All done. Shame. Now this is cool. An old Studebaker. Split window. Absolutely worth restoring, even if it's in terrible shape, because they just didn't make a whole lot of these. Studebaker Champion right here it says. Two-door. Whoa, a spooky interior. Look at that. Look at the steering column that would go right through your torso in an accident. Old dash. It says it goes to 100. That's wild. Oh my gosh, Studebaker. Look at that nice textiles back there for the seat covers. Beautiful. Now this is a cool car. Probably, I'd say, the coolest car here. It's got 1952 plates on it. And even it's got a split window on the back. That's awesome. That is cool. Really wild. Studebaker Champion. Older than a 52, I would imagine, right? Beautiful old Pontiac Le Mans. Looks like it had a big block in there. Some big monster 8-cylinder. All done now. Turning back into the forest. Pontiac Le Mans Fastback. Sweet car. Jump over the brook. Pretty rough, missing most everything. Wild. Still got the key in the trunk, like you're gonna get the spare tire out. Chevy motor.
Now go around that manifold and stuff.
Straight 6 here. Coming out of what's left of the old truck, frame, body. Dangerous work, but somebody's got to do it.
Maybe we'll have to get one of them
yeah, you
hooks,
might have
Johnny.
because I can't fit through the manifold.
Get a hook.
Pulling it up. Tying your shoes. She goes. Whoa. He's a weaker. Goodbye. Goodbye. Water flying away. Bye-bye.